Got this from Whole Foods. No, I got this from Hy-Vee yesterday. My bad. This is a good cake. It's called the Mississippi Mudslide. Get a good bite. Let's see. Hy-Vee got some really good cakes. Let me know what's your favorite cake from Hy-Vee, dessert cake. The Mississippi Mudslide. One more time for the viewers who didn't see. It's good. Let me know what you thought about my food review of Mississippi Mudslide cake. Would y'all get it? Would y'all not? See y'all later.